What's up guys, Mr. Pew the Beast here, and in this episode we are going to change how my character jumps, grant him a second higher jump and allow the player to choose when to use any of these jumps. So to start, this is my basic jump. As you can see, it's not very impressive. I want to have a second jump that enables me to jump even higher, around 2 times higher. So to do this, I decided to create a new jump animation. And yes, this animation is available on Patreon. This is going to be my alternative jump. I know it looks pretty funny right now, but believe me, it will look much better when I actually implement this. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. Alright, so I have mixed my old jump with my new jump, and this is what I currently have. But it doesn't look quite right. You see, I want my character to be in this new jump animation when he's rising, and then when he's falling, he goes into his fall animation. So I'm going to have to modify my script to grant him a rising and a falling air state, which ensures that his animation changes based on the state he's in. Alright, that's done. Let's check it out. Wow, that's fantastic. I had a little problem where the jump transition to the fall animation a little late, but it turns out this was an issue with my animation controller, which I have resolved. So now for the final part, which is making my character, or I guess myself, since I'm the one controlling the character, be able to choose what jump to use at any given time. So I want my character to do a regular jump when I tap the jump button, and then the alternative higher jump when I hold the button. So once again, it's time to modify my script to make sure this happens. And it's complete. To do this, I actually did a lot more than modify my script. I ended up integrating Unity's new input system into my project, as it apparently makes controls much easier. It has a couple of problems, but I will fix those later myself, but for now let's test this out. So as you can see, when I tap the button he jumps normally, and when I hold the button he does the much higher alternative jump. It all worked out exactly as intended. So that's it for this video guys. If you liked it, please feel free to like, share, comment and subscribe. Like I said earlier, this new animation is on my Patreon, along with all other animations, assets that I have used in this project, along with a ton of awesome other perks, bonuses that you will certainly love. And of course, you still have a chance to get your very own cameo into the game. Looking forward to the first person who is going to get his own personal cameo. So all this and so much more are on my Patreon. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time.